In the quiet valleys of the mountains lived a boy named Dev, known across the town for one thing: his laziness. "Dev, it's 11 a.m., his father Victor shouted. Dev just pulled the blanket tighter. Frustrated, Victor barged in and splashed a bucket of cold water on him. "Get up! From today you're coming to work with me." Dev laughed. "When the father is alive and kicking, why should the son worry about work?" Victor's face changed. "Sometimes I wonder if you were even meant to be born." Silence. Then Dev shouted, "Maybe I should leave." Victor opened the door. "Then leave, and don't ever come back." Tears welled up in Dev's eyes as he walked out. Hungry, alone, and shattered, he wandered the streets. "Can I get something to eat?" he asked a shopkeeper. 100 rupees. I don't have money." "Then get lost." Weakened, he sat on a hilltop until he spotted an old woman knitting outside her hut. "Mom, I'm starving. Can I have something to eat?" The woman handed him a glass of water and said, "If you have strength to wander, you have strength to work too." Days passed. No food, no rest, just shame and silence. One evening, he saw the same woman trip and fall. He rushed to her, lifted her up, and took her home. "I'll take care of you, Mom," he whispered. She pressed 20 rupees in his hand. Dev bought a plate of momos. They shared it on the porch, the most delicious meal of his life. From that day, he worked for her, cleaning, cooking, listening to her stories. 12 days later, she gave him a tin box. "A secret spice, child. Add it to food, it becomes magical." An idea sparked. He sold his ring, bought ingredients, and set up a tiny momo stall by the hill. The spice worked. Crowds lined up, praising his momos. But one stormy night, fierce winds destroyed everything. Dev stood in the rain, clutching the broken steamer, defeated. Just then, a man approached. "You're the one who cared for my mother?" It was her son, a wealthy businessman. "It's my turn to help you." He helped Dev open a proper momo shop in town. Dev worked day and night, transforming into someone his old self wouldn't recognize. One day, while serving food at the temple, Dev saw two familiar figures, his parents. "Dad!" he cried. Victor looked up, eyes wide. Moments later, he pulled Dev into a tight hug. "I'm sorry, my son," he whispered. Dev smiled through tears. "If you hadn't thrown me out, I would have never learned to believe in myself." The story teaches us that hard work, humility, and kindness can transform even the most difficult. Dev's journey from laziness to responsibility shows that true success comes not from wealth or comfort, but from the willingness to face challenges and support others. Helping others and working hard will always lead to meaningful rewards.